Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this dripping slime eyeliner look. So this is another one that's been inspired by Chloe Fits MUA. She was actually inspired by Fuentes_Legna on Instagram, but when I searched her page I couldn't find any photos like that. So I'm just going to go with Chloe Fits MUA. This is the original picture here. I'm going to be doing a neon green version because when I think of slime I think of neon green or acid green, and I have a neon green pigment, so I'm going to give it a go in neon. So if you guys would like to see how I create this look, then please keep watching. So as you can see, I've already got my eyebrows done, my face makeup done. I've put a concealer on the eyelids to be a base, and I've also set that using some setting powder because I'm not doing anything on the lid, I'm just doing the liner and we don't want that to smudge or anything, so I've gone ahead and set that. I'm taking my neon green pigment. This is by Helen Cosmetics. I'm also taking a small thin liner brush, and normally this is Fix Plus but I just ran out, so I've put water in there and I'm just going to use that instead. And I'm just going to spray my brush and dip it into the pigment to create a bit of a paste, and then we'll go ahead and begin putting the liner on. So I'll just do that off camera and I'll zoom you in now so you can see. For the top edge of the liner, we want it to be not straight. I'm just going to draw on like a regular thick liner to begin with. Now that we've got just a regular winged liner on the eye, I'm going to add in just some bumps at the top of it to make it look gooey, so it's not straight. We don't want the top edge to be straight. Okay, now we're going to just add in some drips coming down off this part of the wing. Okay, that is step one complete. I'm going to go ahead and do this on the other eye and then I'll come back and do the rest of it. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm taking a liquid liner. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and we're just using this to outline the liner, so around the top and around the sides, and then we'll add in some more drippy slime with the liner after that, but I want to get the outline done first, so we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so we've got the outline done of the slime liner, and now we just need to add in a few more drips. So I'm just using the same liner and going in where it's all green, because there's not much going on there, and just draw in some little drip pictures. What's the word you would use for that? I'm not sure. Draw in some drops. Okay, so that is the slime liner pretty much complete. I'm just going to go in and smoke out the lower lash line and apply a highlight now. So I'm taking just my light palette by Colourpop. I'm going to take this shade here called Act Natural and just popping that on this regular fluffy eyeshadow brush. Alright, and now for highlight, I'm just going to go in with this shade here called Mary Jane, just applying that to my tear duct. Alright, now time for mascara and lashes. So I'm just going to be taking my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the style Exotic. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look with lashes. It's a very fun look, really enjoying it. Surprisingly, it was quite easy to do. I mean, the hardest part is drawing on those little drips and making them look realistic. I mean, obviously it's not perfect. It doesn't look completely realistic, but it's a cool effect and pretty much anyone who sees it is going to know what it is. So if you're keen to try out some more graphic looks and get out of your comfort zone a little bit, then if you're keen to try out some graphic looks, or if you just want to step out of your comfort zone a bit, then this would be a good one for you. This definitely would be a good one for Halloween. Even if you changed the green to red so it represents blood, that would be quite cool, quite creepy. So I might give that a go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.